Achas Shabbos Society Shmoru. Keep my Shabbos, says HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Reb Shmelke Meniklushburg was a great Baal Tzedakah. He used to give everything he had. Once a poor guy came and Reb Shmelke didn't have anything. The Rebbetzin wasn't home. So he was looking all over and he found one beautiful ring that she owned and he gave it to the poor guy. The poor guy was so happy. He smiles and he leaves. And the Rebbetzin walks home and she sees this poor guy leaving with a big smile. She understood. She knew there was nothing in the house except for her jewelry. So she looks in her jewelry and she finds that this ring is missing. So she yells, that ring is worth $300. And that poor guy is probably going to sell it for a few dollars. The Shmelke gets out of the house and starts running after that poor guy. And that guy sees that the Shmelke is running after him, so he runs away. The Shmelke runs even faster, and finally he gets a hold of him and he says, I just want to let you know, that ring is worth $300. Don't sell it for just a few pennies. If Shmelke Meniklushburg the following day sits with his Hasidim and he says, now I understand a pshat in the Gemara, Shabbos Daf Yud, the Gemara says, HaKadosh Baruch Hu said to Moshe Rabbeinu, I have a great gift that I want to give to Klal Yisrael. It's called Shabbos. Lech vehodiem. Go and inform Klal Yisrael. Said B'Shmelke, this is what it means. HaKadosh Baruch Hu is telling us, go and inform Klal Yisrael. It's worth so much. Don't sell it for pennies. Don't sell it for a piece of kigel. A little cholent. Understand, acknowledge, appreciate, cherish the Shabbos. Know that it's worth so much more than a little piece of your kugel. A little piece of your cholent.